Hello learners, this is Vishivani bansal. There is an important announcement for you all. There is going to be a dual educator session on coming Thursday on the topic of regarding the MP mains last minute strategy and tips. That we know that MP mains is going to be on 25th and 26th of September in two shifts. So I and Unnati ma'am is going to discuss the last minute strategy and tips, what you need to take care while writing the exam, all the strategy and tips we are going to discuss. And there is also a question and answer session at the end of the session, so that any queries you can ask regarding your exam, any doubts, any questions that you want to ask and clarify. And this is going to be on Thursday, that is at 3 p.m. So do make sure that you join the session. This will be really helpful for you all. Thank you so much everyone. Do like the video and share it with your friends so that more students can get benefit from this.